Now, let's move to another veteran of the show. Do you know what? I'll come round this way. Gail, you have got one of my favourite products from Ninja, and it is the Flexdrawer.
Oh my God,
we
love this
We
machine.
do, we love
fantastic. So it's like the dual air fryer, but you can remove the centre section, and then you have, dun dun dun, the whole mega zone. Let's talk about the mega zone, shall we?
Yep.
10.4 litres of air frying goodness right there.
It's glorious. Look at this. I mean, look at the size. Do you remember when we launched this?
Yes.
I'd done a 2.6 leg of lamb. Something.
It might have been a 2 point. You tell me, you did it.
You're not watching me at home when I did it. Surely you know what I cook at home.
I stand by that television at every moment when you're there.
I feel like you're in the kitchen with me sometimes.
Now, look, we've done some new potatoes because Jersey Royals are straight out at the moment.
These are your special ones?
These are my special ones.
Parmesan?
Yeah, so garlic butter with parmesan.
I'm going to have to try this.
You do have to try these. And also some garlic carrots as well. Can we just have a look at this? Just look. We're going to lose a couple of potatoes off the front, but let's not worry about that.
Jill.
It's all right. Jill's rescuing. Jill's rescuing. It's absolutely fine.
The beauty
Thanks,
of this
Jill. We couldn't have done it without you.
It is top rated. Over 2,000 five-star reviews. 18,000 of these have been sold. And you know what? We offer you the most easy pays in this show, which is 4 easy pays of just £54.99 without any postage. But you know, the thing is, being top rated, that means a lot of people, including myself, have been using this. It's all I use at home.
Honestly, people's ovens are redundant. Well, don't forget, this is a big leg. Yeah, absolutely. Big leg of lamb. And I'm going to cut you a bit of my parmesan potato there as well, because they're cooked to perfection as well. You don't have to cook everything together. You can add things as you go along, which is great about it. But what I want to show you, and this is what's different, and if you've had the dual air fryer before, this is what's different about this one. This is one drawer. We're calling this the mega zone. Okay? Now, you get this divider. So don't think, oh, well, why would I have 2 drawers? Why would I buy a 2 drawer if I could have a 1 drawer? But look at this. You literally just take this, you pop it down the centre. I can't see what I'm doing. Hang on a second. Let me just have... There we go. Like that. You have to get it in the rivet like that. And now you have 2 zones. Don't forget, you can cook in these zones completely separately. Different temperatures, different programmes.
Independently.
And you can finish them together, sync it together, like you can with the dual. This just gives you bigger capacity for bigger joints, bigger bits of food, which I'm going to show you in a minute as well.
And there's more options as well. So what we find a lot at home, having the kids wanting different things, you know, I might do chips in one side, and I might do some little lasagna in the other one. Or I might do something sweet, I might do muffins in one side, and then do, you know, gnocchi in the other. You know, it gives you the options, but it's not just air frying. You can bake,
you can bake, roast, you can dehydrate, you can roast, you can max crisp, you can prove, you can do everything in this. It is fantastic. This is the one I now have at home. Because what you can't do in a dual on its own without the mega zone is a whole side of salmon.
That's massive.
Now, that is a really big side of salmon. And you've also got, look at that, just look at that. And look, can I just show you? Look at those vegetables. 9 minutes for those vegetables.
Serious?
9 minutes.
On what temperature?
On 180. And if in doubt, 180, just reduce the time.
Do you put oil in when you're using the air fryer?
Never put oil in, I put oil on.
So you toss it in oil first and then... You never drizzle whilst it's in there?
Never drizzle in, drizzle on, and then literally smother whatever you're doing.
Teacher's voice.
I could do more, but I'm just going to show you. But look at the colours. And the reason you get the colours is because you're not overcooking it in a big oven to try and get it crispy or any of those things. You're actually getting it, cooking it quickly, and it keeps all those beautiful colours.
And it means that you can prep things really, cook things really quickly if you've got people over, you've got hungry mouths coming back from school. Look, £54.99 to get this back, and then you're going to get a 60-day money-back guarantee. I tell you, when you unleash the magic of the Flexdrawer, you will not know what you've cooked with before. Now, that's not saying that the dual zone isn't great. Of course it's great. It just means, I mean, we've got both. We just don't use the oven now, which is even better.
Yeah, it is. And actually, I've heard people saying that when they're doing their kitchens again, they're actually not even going to incorporate an oven anymore.
No, I've heard that.
They are literally just going to buy an air fryer or a couple of air fryers because they take up less room.
It does.